Forget protein powder. These natural foods stop muscle loss instantly. And yes, this is actually true. You do not need expensive tubs of powder or complicated shakes to protect your strength. Today, I'm revealing something the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. There's a handful of everyday foods that can stop muscle loss in its tracks, and they work faster and more effectively than any protein powder on the market. One of these foods is so powerful, it can literally begin reversing muscle breakdown within 30 minutes of eating it. And the best part, it costs less than $2. If you're new here, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member who could use a little extra strength in their life. And while you're at it, tell me in the comments, where are you watching this from? I love seeing our community of strong, vibrant seniors from all over the world. Chapter 1. Honey. For thousands of years, honey has been treasured not just for its sweetness, but for its healing power. And today, modern science is finally catching up to what our ancestors already knew. Honey isn't just food, it's medicine for strength, energy, and vitality. Now, let's be clear, honey is not just sugar. That's a common myth. Unlike refined sugar, which floods the body with empty calories, honey is packed with enzymes, antioxidants, natural minerals, and healing compounds that give your body exactly what it needs to fight weakness, protect muscles, and fuel your cells with lasting energy. For seniors especially, honey can be a secret weapon against muscle loss. Why honey helps with muscle loss? When we get older, our muscles don't repair themselves as quickly as they did in our younger years. Every small tear, every strain, every bit of natural wear and tear takes longer to heal. That's where honey comes in. Studies have shown that honey has anti-inflammatory properties that calm down the small inflammations in your muscles, helping them recover faster. It's like putting a soothing balm on the inside of your body. On top of that, honey is a natural energy booster. It provides a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, which fuels your muscles during activity. Unlike artificial energy drinks, honey doesn't cause a crash. It gives you sustained energy, perfect for your morning walk, gardening, or even light strength exercises. And here's the bonus. Honey also contains small amounts of amino acids, the very building blocks your muscles use to repair themselves. So when you take a spoonful of honey in the morning, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're giving your muscles the tools they need to stay strong. Honey's extra benefits for seniors. But honey doesn't stop at muscles. Its benefits are wide-reaching. Stronger immunity. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties. A spoonful of raw honey daily can help defend your body against seasonal colds or infections. Better digestion. Honey soothes the digestive system, which is vital because as we age, our gut becomes more sensitive. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, and that means stronger muscles. Heart health. The antioxidants in honey help protect your arteries from damage, lowering the risk of heart disease. Strong muscles mean little if your heart isn't strong too, and honey supports both. Brain boost. New research suggests honey can help protect memory and reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Imagine keeping both your body and your mind sharp with one simple food. How to use honey for strength. The beauty of honey is that it's versatile. You don't need to drink strange-tasting powders or buy expensive supplements. Instead, you can add a spoonful of honey to warm water with lemon in the morning for a refreshing energy boost. Drizzle honey over Greek yogurt for a muscle-healing snack filled with protein and natural sweetness. Mix honey into oatmeal with nuts and seeds for a breakfast that fuels your body all day. Take a teaspoon before a walk or exercise session to give your muscles a gentle boost of energy. Just one caution, my friends. Honey is powerful, but it's still sweet. Too much can raise blood sugar levels. So think of honey as a natural medicine. 1 or 2 teaspoons a day is enough to get the benefits without overdoing it. Because when it comes to muscle health after 60, honey truly is a gift from nature. It's not a powder in a jar, it's not a pill in a bottle. It's real, it's natural, and it's been keeping humans strong for centuries. So the next time you dip your spoon into that golden jar, remember, you're not just eating honey, you're fueling your strength, your independence, and your future. Chapter 2. Whole grain toast. Why whole grains matter for seniors. Whole grains are different from the refined white bread many of us grew up eating. White bread is stripped of its nutrients, leaving behind mostly sugar and starch. Whole grain bread, on the other hand, still contains the bran, germ, and endosperm of the grain. That means it's packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural plant compounds that your body needs every single day. For seniors, this is especially important because fiber keeps digestion healthy. As we age, digestion slows down. Fiber ensures better gut health, which means nutrients from your food, like protein for your muscles, are absorbed more efficiently. B vitamins boost energy. Whole grains contain B vitamins, which act like spark plugs for your metabolism, helping your body turn food into fuel for your muscles. Magnesium and iron support muscles. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax, while iron supports oxygen delivery to muscle tissue. Without these minerals, muscles weaken faster. So yes, that slice of whole grain toast isn't just bread, it's a daily dose of fuel for your muscles. The power of slow energy release. Here's another hidden benefit. Whole grain toast provides slow-digesting carbohydrates. Unlike white bread, which spikes your blood sugar and leaves you crashing later, whole grains release energy steadily over time. For seniors, this steady energy is vital. It means you won't feel that mid-morning slump. Instead, you'll have the strength to walk, garden, or play with your grandkids without getting tired as quickly. Think of whole grain toast as the wood log on a fire. It burns slowly, keeping you warm and strong for hours. White bread, on the other hand, is like paper. It burns quickly and leaves you cold. Which would you rather have fueling your body? Building muscle-friendly meals with toast. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Whole grain toast is more than just bread, it's a canvas for muscle-saving meals. With the right toppings, your toast can become a powerhouse of nutrition. For example, avocado on whole grain toast, healthy fats, fiber, and potassium for strong muscles. Egg on toast, complete protein to rebuild muscle fibers. Greek yogurt with honey on toast, a combination of protein, probiotics, and natural energy. Nut butter on toast, protein and healthy fats that support muscle repair. In just a few minutes, you can turn an ordinary breakfast into a meal that directly supports your strength, independence, and health. Sometimes the best solutions to staying strong after 60 aren't complicated. They don't come in expensive jars, powders, or pills. They come in the form of small, everyday choices. Replacing white bread with whole grain toast might not sound dramatic, but over weeks and months, the difference adds up. You'll have better digestion, steadier energy, and more nutrients feeding your muscles every single day. Chapter 3: Banana. Why bananas matter after 60. As we age, one of the most common complaints is muscle cramps, those sudden, sharp pains that can wake you up in the middle of the night or strike when you're walking. Do you know what often causes them? A lack of potassium and magnesium. And what food delivers both in perfect balance? Bananas. Each banana is like a little yellow capsule of muscle support. Potassium keeps your muscles contracting smoothly, preventing cramps and weakness. Magnesium helps muscles relax, reduces stiffness, and supports energy production. Vitamin B6 improves metabolism and helps your body turn food into muscle fuel. Put simply, bananas are nature's muscle relaxant, muscle energizer, and muscle protector, all in one. Bananas versus expensive supplements. Here's where it gets interesting. Many seniors are told to buy potassium supplements to prevent cramps, or to drink electrolyte drinks filled with artificial colors and sugars. But in reality, a single banana often provides the same benefits naturally, without the chemicals. Think about it. Would you rather pop a pill every morning, or enjoy a sweet, creamy banana that also gives you fiber, antioxidants, and natural energy? That's the beauty of real food. It works better, tastes better, and costs far less. The energy boost without the crash. One of the biggest struggles after 60 is fatigue. You want to keep doing the things you love, but your energy doesn't last as long as it used to. Bananas are a perfect solution because they provide quick energy for immediate fuel and slow-digesting carbohydrates for longer endurance. That means if you eat a banana before a walk, gardening, or light exercise, your body will feel fueled, not heavy, not sluggish, but energized and ready. Athletes have known this secret for years, and now seniors can use it too. Banana meal ideas for strength. Bananas are delicious on their own, but pairing them with other muscle-saving foods makes them even more powerful. Here are a few ideas. Banana with peanut butter, the perfect mix of potassium, protein, and healthy fat. Banana slices on whole grain toast, a double punch of slow energy and muscle-friendly minerals. Banana blended into a smoothie with Greek yogurt and honey, a creamy, nutrient-packed treat. Frozen banana ice cream. Blend a frozen banana into a smooth dessert that feels indulgent but is entirely healthy. Simple, tasty, and effective. No complicated recipes, no powders, no fuss. Sometimes the foods that make the biggest difference are the simplest ones. Bananas don't wear shiny labels or sit on supplement shelves with big promises. They sit quietly in the fruit basket, waiting to be noticed. But every time you peel one open, you're giving your body what it needs to stay strong, steady, and energized. So the next time you feel a cramp coming on, or when you need a little boost before your walk, don't reach for a pill or a powder. Reach for a banana. This humble fruit is a reminder that strength doesn't always come from the extraordinary. Sometimes, it comes from the simplest gifts of nature. Chapter 4. Avocado. Why avocado is a senior superfood. Here's the secret. The fat in avocado is not the dangerous fat we've been warned about for decades. It's heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, the same kind of fat found in olive oil. These healthy fats are crucial for seniors because they protect your muscles. Healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for muscle strength and repair. Fight inflammation. Many aches and stiffness after 60 are linked to chronic inflammation. Avocado's compounds naturally calm inflammation, keeping joints and muscles more flexible. Support energy. Unlike sugary snacks, avocado provides steady, long-lasting energy, perfect for staying active throughout the day. But that's not all. Avocado is also rich in potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium is the mineral that keeps your muscles contracting smoothly and prevents painful cramps. For seniors who struggle with night cramps or leg weakness, avocado can be a game-changer. The muscle-nourishing nutrient package. Let's look at what else is hiding inside this creamy fruit. Fiber keeps digestion healthy and ensures your body absorbs nutrients properly. Vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage. Folate supports healthy blood flow and energy production. Magnesium helps muscles relax and reduces tension. In short, each avocado is like a multivitamin from nature, wrapped in green skin. Avocado for muscle-friendly meals. The beauty of avocado is how versatile it is. It doesn't need cooking, and it can blend into sweet or savory dishes. Here are a few ways to make it part of your daily routine. Avocado on whole grain toast. Combine fiber, healthy fats, and slow-release energy in one simple meal. Avocado with eggs. Scrambled or boiled eggs paired with avocado make a protein and fat powerhouse for muscle repair. Avocado smoothie. Blend avocado with banana and Greek yogurt for a creamy drink that supports muscles and digestion. Avocado salad. Toss avocado chunks with tomatoes, leafy greens, and olive oil for a refreshing, muscle-friendly lunch. Every serving gives your muscles the nutrients they need to stay strong and flexible. Many people think protecting their muscles after 60 requires drastic changes, expensive powders, strict diets, or complicated meal plans. But sometimes, it's as simple as adding half an avocado to your plate. With its healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, avocado is more than just food. It's a shield, guarding your muscles, heart, and brain against the hidden dangers of aging. So tomorrow, when you spread avocado on your toast or add it to your salad, remember this: you're not just eating a fruit. You're feeding your muscle strength, your heart protection, and your future independence. All in one creamy, green bite. Friends, by now, you've discovered that protecting your muscles after 60 doesn't require expensive powders, complicated diets, or fancy supplements. The real power lies in natural, everyday foods like honey, whole grain toast, bananas, avocado, and more. These foods are not just delicious, they are your allies in stopping muscle loss, boosting energy, and keeping your body strong and independent. Remember, every small choice matters. Adding a banana to your breakfast, spreading avocado on your toast, or drizzling a spoonful of honey can make a real difference over time. Your muscles, your heart, and your energy levels all benefit when you make simple, consistent choices. I want to hear from you. What changes are you planning to make today? Share your experiences and favorite foods in the comments so we can all inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tip for staying strong and healthy after 60. Together, we can build a community of empowered seniors who take control of their health naturally.